Yeah, my name is Chinaza for Icon, which I'm discussing the dangers or legal dangers in law of contract or legal dangers or dangers when you do not fulfill the contract. For instance, like what brought this particular discussion is because of what happened some days ago in Enugu State Magistrate Court. Actually, someone, a girl called Nwibeh, Chinaza Nwibeh, collected money from Emeka Nwankwo, agreeing that he's coming to his house as a boyfriend. Maybe they didn't have a sexual intercourse. Then at the end, Chinaza did not come in, but already Emeka Nwankwo has transferred the sum of 3,000 naira to Chinaza. That's what brought this particular discussion. So I want to use this particular discussion to let you know that once there is a contract, whether domestic contract, social contract, or normal contract, provided it is a contract, you agreed. What is contract? Contract is an agreement between two or more people to perform a particular transaction or to do something. That is a contract. So, and in law of contract, we have some elements of contracts which are manifestation, which is offer, acceptance, consideration, legal relationship, legality, etc. Once all these things are in, that means the contract is legal. For instance, for Chinaza agreeing to come to Emeka's house before Emeka transferred 3,000 naira, it is a contract. And Chinaza wanted to deny. Emeka had to bring out his WhatsApp messages to show as an evidence or electronic evidence to defend himself. And at the end, Emeka won the case. Why did Emeka won the case? Because he has brought his own evidences. So, and as a matter of fact, if you again listen to this thing, listen to this my video, always know whenever you try collecting money from any guy without you going, it is what? Fraud. Go and check section 419 of criminal code. You can still check this case, Emeka Nwankwo versus Chinaza Nwibeh. You can still check okay, there's another case again, Bafo versus Bafo. That one is husband and wife. What I'm saying, even if you're husband and wife, provided you agree to do something, you should do it. Because as a matter of fact, like in this case, the court charged the lady, which is Chinaza, not just the money, equally charged him for trauma. There are some damages in law we believe that it caused to the person. Because as a matter of someone you promise to do so, the person is expecting to see you. This is happening every day in Nigeria, not just between boyfriend and girlfriend. You see somebody now, you agree to bring something for you. You agree, yes, I must deliver. So then at the end they will not deliver. If you don't deliver, you're doing yourself. Because there's no way that thing goes to court, you win. You that promise, you promise up. You must pay for damages. For instance, imagine 3,000 naira that Chinaza collected from Emeka Nwankwo. Now the court mandated him to pay how much? 150,000 naira. That is it. It is good, and the court said this is this judgment is the aim of this judgment is to serve as a deterrent to other offenders who would like or who will pretend or who will try in any form to still do this kind of thing again. So I'm so happy for this kind of for this kind of court decision, so that girls will learn, boys will learn, all these sex workers will learn, all these people that will always like going to having sex anyhow, collecting money, they will run or something like that, especially in agreement. Though some are not agreement, but most of them are agreement. You agree to do something, then at the end you go away. It is fraud. Go and check the meaning of fraud in criminal code section 419. Most of you in Nigeria, they will be saying 419. What 419 means that the fraud we are talking about is in section 419 of criminal code. That's what that 419 we are talking. If someone does something, even ignorantly or ignorant, someone will say this guy is a 419. This lady is a 419. It means the person is a fraudster. So, as a matter of fact, let's just assume maybe all the offenses you've committed before, that one has gone. But let us learn and know how to treat each other and address this particular issue of breach of contract. because as a matter of fact, the lady was charged for breach of contract. He was charged for trauma, as in damages. He was charged for damages, and he was charged for fraud. But at the end, he was not jailed. Thank God for that. And I so much appreciate the learned judge that decided the case. God bless him. Thank you for listening to my YouTube channel. I still mention on social media. Please subscribe, like, and comment. The aim is for you to get acquainted with Lego Academies. God bless you.